China is completely changing its job market in 2026, and foreigners who understand the new roles can get fast track hiring, high salaries, and long term residence options. New migration updates, new AI hiring system, new job categories, and new visa pathways. Everything is changing. This is Akil, and you are watching Opportunities with Akil. Let me take you into the further and future of the China jobs in 2026. Must watch till the end. You have a complete procedures. What is the new over there? So let's start. As 2025 is ending, China has already activated its 2026 and 2030 employment talent strategy, opening doors to the skilled professionals, technicians, and English speaking workers from Pakistan, India, Africa, Asia, and Middle East. Today, I will show you the exact roadmap to get the job in China in 2026 legally, safely, and fast. So let's understand what is the new in China jobs 2026. China introduced the three major hiring changes. International Talent Score System ITS system. Your job approval will depend on points for degree, skill, work experience, age, management ability. 60 points are from work permit acceptance, and 75 plus points will permit you for on the fast track system. Further is the salary increase for the foreigners. Minimum approved salaries in 2026 is 9,000 RMB for the junior staff, from 12,000 to 16,000 RMBs for the teachers, from 18 to 30,000 is for IT and engineering, and from 25,000 to 40,000 RMBs for the senior roles. So here is the smart visa system known as the Z visa, and talent visa will be processed through the new online Chinese smart entry portal CSEP, which is the fast, no agent needed, real-time tracking. And who will China hire in 2026? China in 2026 there is a priority sectors. So higher demand areas are artificial intelligence, robotics, automotives, and EV manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and supply chain, mechanical and electrical engineers, cross border e commerce, English learning education, hospitality and tourism, nursing, and healthcare. So these are were the new categories. Here are few new categories for 2026, which is one is the digital trade specialist. China needs foreigners for the global communication role. Here is the latest top websites and applications for 2026. You can upload your CVs over there, or there is a mobile phone application. Just download and update your CV over there. So updated and best performing job platform for 2026. So which is for e-China cities foreigners portal, hired China, which is most active, China job official talent site. One more is there known as the Lipin Global Talent, Zhaopin International, 51 Job Overseas Station, Smart Shanghai Job Board, Job Beijing, China HR English. So these all links are available in the descriptions. You can get directly over there. And one is the application. So there are few applications you can register over there yourself, download them in your mobile. One is the Boss Zypin. It's an AI matching improved for 2026. One is the Fees Chu Talent, WeChat Job Mini Program, Doyen Job Hub, V Labor Talent Portal. So here is some tip for you peoples. Add your CV to the Fishu Talent, which auto connect to companies like TikTok, yeah, Byte, and Xiaomi and other things as you where you will be suitable for there. And this is whole about the new system. Along with this, you have another method through which you can get your recruitment. There are the recruitment agencies which are trusted. These agencies are approved for foreign hiring under 2026 system. So here is a list of the agencies which you can directly contact with them. China International Talent Exchange Association, Foreign HR, Hey China, Michael Page East Asia, Career China, Tech Foreign Talent, Top Tutor Job, Blue Sky Talent, SACC Shanghai Talent Port, ZTIC Zhejiang Talent Center. Here is important: no agency can legally charge recruitment fees under 2026, and this is for you that don't give any money to them in advance. What is the visa system? Already we discussed in our last video is the China K visa continues in 2026 with expand the categories is STEAM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Skilled professionals are there. Professionals for IT technician, mechanical diploma holders, lab technicians, manufacturing operations. So these all were for the K visa. China 2026 is full of opportunities, but only for those who apply correctly and legally. Use the right website, the right CV format, and follow the official visa process. This is Akhil from Opportunities with Akhil. Subscribe, share, and stay ready because 2026 will be a massive year for the global job seekers.